Myntri keterat ke khia ke soka jila ba walat miki shila ula ong ba ukna asnem ula Khlad na ka Jingmynsaw Khyllai dei satia na ka jingdi ya sting energy drink kumbrami hakilat pathai kubor haba jubab ya jingkli hapa kodobar mata sngi uba wailat ula ong ba kat kum ke jingtokit ka kaipot na ke doktor ka sibi hospital tura une khna ula Khlad dei na ka jingdi ya une jingdi bat kumta ke soka ka wengno ya ke jingkhang bandi ya une jingdi hakajilla ya kani wa jubab hal jingkli ko wanra da rupa marak hakdo bam tak sngi ba wailat wa ong baka soka kampat lap ba une jingdi undan ke jingta ya kena ba kmi ba ibuin kun na kaliang unaya yang persya doktor muku sangma wa ong ba kadon ke jingla jam hakabidai berkeni ke kam na kaliang ke soka ban petngo ya ke jingdi jingbam iban singan gibreu ba pandon kam ula kentu baka soka kam dai ban siu penkut nia tang haka kai pot ke doktor handai kai ban si mi ke senjam man yada na ka jingma jogi paj ba nama berdon bun ke jingbam ki bade ki berakut por hal kan ni menteri ya pentip tu bala pelong ya ke jing jurip manu benai duna sipau tri kedukan he ula ong ba siwa kan ni ke jing dia de pates ya uneu jing di sting bat kepen i bakam don ke jing kta Menteri wai thu do ba dep jurip rai haja nyospa san penrusin bat lates aja praspa sop sau teli bat san haja san spa sopoi teli ki sampel ne ki nomuna asim na ki jat jingbam hakini ki lais nem ba dep hakeleng ki distrik kajela
Is the irreversible shock due to acute gastroenteritis AGE leading to acute kidney injury, sir.
May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the exact date and location where it occurred?
So according to the report, sir, the person died in the hospital, sir, in the civil hospital Tura.
Another supplementary question. May I know from the Minister in charge the inquiry report conducted by the FSO West Garo Hills?
Yes, sir. Sir, the sequence of events and the report conducted on, sir, according to the report which we have seen in the local newspaper on 12 August 2026, a local newspaper reported that a young boy had died allegedly due to the consumption of Sting energy drink. The news subsequently went viral. On 13 August 2026, a complaint regarding the reported incident was received from the press. The Commissionerate immediately directed all Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety and designated officer to take stock of the matter, white letter number CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/2025 dated 13 of August 2026. On 14 August 2026, an interim distribution freeze and prohibition on the product was imposed pending inquiry. An urgent online meeting was convened with all designated officer and food safety officers. Two concerned food safety officers were directed to conduct an immediate inquiry, white letter number CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/211 and CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/212, both dated 14 August 2026. On 14 August 2026, again, sir, the inquiry report was received at 11:45 p.m. from the Food Safety Officer, West Garo Hills, white letter number FSO/West Garo Hills INSP/2026-27/107 dated 14 August 2026. On 15 August, the inquiry concluded that no causal relationship was established between the student's death and the consumption of Sting energy drink. In the absence of medical or legal ground for continuation, the restriction, the interim distribution freeze and prohibition was withdrawn. Thereafter, Sting was permitted to return to the market in Meghalaya. The Commissioner of Food Safety clarified that withdrawal of the interim restriction was a factual outcome of the inquiry and not an endorsement of the product. while routine food safety surveillance and sampling will continue, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the age of that student who was unfortunately died.
12 years of age, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Sting is an energy drink which carries high level of caffeine and sugar, making it unsuitable for the children and adolescents to consume it, and even for lactating mothers. So, does this Sting carry a warning on the label?
Sir, this Sting, this product, whenever it's come into the market, it has to qualify certain rule and regulation, and all the required ingredients or the additive, it has to be under the permissible limits. So, sir, right now I don't have the information whether the warning is there or not, but sir, it is under the regulations.
Thank you. I would like to make one suggestion and submission. This energy drink, the Sting, it is being sold in open market, even in the small villages, in the small shops, randomly, even to children, even to lactating mothers, even to adolescents. So, can the government give an assurance that it will have some prohibitory order to those retailers or the small, even to the small shops, which are selling the Sting energy drinks?
Sir, right now, sir, there is no direction or any sir, in the product where it's mentioned that the children or the lactating mother cannot take this Sting, sir. So it is like I said, sir, when it is made, it has to clear all the required regulations, sir, and it is and right now, like I mentioned, that there is nothing mentioned that it is not it is not advisable for children or lactating mothers, sir. Until and unless we have any proven medical connections, sir, we cannot give any order, sir.
One more, sir. While the minister was replying, I was doing a check on the internet, and I happen to know that the Sting carries a warning which says not recommended for children, but I can see it properly because it's from the internet. Lactating women, persons sensitive to caffeine. It carries a warning, sir. So, can I get an assurance that it will have a prohibitory order who are selling the caffeine not to sell this product to children and lactating mothers?
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank the honorable member for helping me out here. That since, sir, he himself, sir, have mentioned that the warning itself is already in the label. So, sir, that itself, sir, is prohibitory. And, sir, I said, it's already in the warning label, sir. So it's already like kind of order, sir, in the state, in the distribution, sir.
One more question, sir. Okay. So what action will be taken on those who are selling, despite this warning on the label, to children, adolescents, and to lactating mothers?
So it's already in the Act, sir, in the food safety. So it will be taken according to the law, sir.
Sir, in the course of the reply, the Honourable Minister has mentioned that after